Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today, I'm going to share about how to use the online identification. One kind of the software is Planet. Okay, please the first one you can find in Play Store. This is for the Android. Please write down Planet. This is the name of software, Planet Identification. Okay, and the next, please install in here. I have already installed, so in my smartphone has already opened. Before you installed, you can see the description of the software in here. This is 4.5. This is rating and views from the users, and this is 10 million plus. This is the number of the downloader. This is the example of the result, or this is the explanation about the material in this software. And the next, after you have finished to download it, you can open the application. You can open like this one. This is the dashboard of the planet. New observation. You can took two ways for identification. Oh yeah, planet. This is specifically for plant identification. There are two ways how to observation. The first one, you can take the picture directly from your camera, and the second, you can insert your picture based on gallery. The first one, I will show to you how to use the camera. Okay, the first one, this one, click camera. This one. Okay, and please choose the plant that you can see. What's the name of the scientific name? Take the picture and okay. This is the result of your picture, and after you see the result, you can choose what's the part of your picture. What's the part in the plant? Leaf, flower, fruit, bark, habit, or others. For example, I took the picture in leaf. Click leaf, and this is still processing. This is the result. So Planet show to you the list of the result about the scientific name. See the star in here. Okay, I will confirm. You can check first your plant close to this plant or no. This one. Okay, I think this close to my plant. So the name of my plant is Cephalera arboculohayatimer. You can confirm, and yes. Okay, and also you can contribute to this software, to this application, by you for example input the identity. For example, this picture has been taken in Bandung, Indonesia. Okay, and you can save. Okay, if you want to save this plan into this application, you should log in and you make profile. For example, this one, you can see in here. Click this one and need to log in. This one, if you have already registered, you can log in by username or email and then input the password. But if you want to create new account or you don't have an account, you can sign up in here. Sign up and please fill data in here. And after you fill all data, you can click I accept the term of use and then create account. And after has been finished, you can log in by using your account. Okay, that's all. And this is the component of the planet. The first one, this is the this is the resume. This is the resume. What's the content of this application? And the second one, this is the classification. The classification of plants that has already inputted in this application. For example, word flora, useful plants, weed, invasive plant, useful plants of tropical Africa, and so on. And this is the camera for take the picture. You can take from camera or take from your gallery. And the next is this is the list of the result in this application based on taxa. The first one, let's see family. For example, family. This is, for example, Acanthaceae. There are 49. This is genus. After family, we see genus. For example, this one, Acanthus. Acanthus arboreus, Acanthus hungaricus. This one, Acanthus illicifolius, and so on. And this is for the species, so you can contribute. And another way, you can take from the gallery. For example, I have already taken the picture from my garden. For example, I will choose this one, this I will check the flower, for example. Good, very good. The application will be proposed to us the list of the probability, the name of this plant. For example, don't forget to check first to make sure our plant has been close to this characteristic. For example, this one, I think this close to my plant, so I can confirm yes. So my plant is Adenium obesum. So the scientific name of my plant is Adenium obesum. Adenium obesum. And also you can add here, for example, I have already taken the picture in Bandung, Indonesia. Okay, and then save. Okay, I need to log in first. Okay, so that's all for today. Hopefully this material can be benefit for you, and this is a one alternative to you, to teacher, to science teacher, how to use the online identification with the online platform. Okay, goodbye, see you next week.